Alright, so you don't know. Welcome back to In a Real Life with Donte. So they're up on the road again. They're up on the Mandeville side this time. No thing go. But I don't know how the health part is going to come. They are sure long one chicken party. And I go on. Full joy, I go on, you know. But yeah. Summer, I decided to say this summer, now I make the summer come and done. And I'm going to go on B-side. So I just rode. So stay tuned. Couple little food stop. I tell you, I try eat healthy on the road so it don't really interfere with the health part, but I'm going to see how it goes. But just stay tuned. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share. See you? Yeah, Leopold, pick up yourself, my general. Always a support. Give thanks. All of my dopes them from Texas and everything. Jamaican family link up same way, you know what I mean? Alright, so stay tuned and see what I go. I'll see if I get some corn on the road and some of them little things there. You know what I mean? Jamaican tourist style, you know? So this is the famous Spur Tree Hill. Descending now. Of a vertical drop, look like about 90 degrees to right. Yep. Mandeville is such a cool, nice place. Yeah. Air is fresh and clean. And even though the sun is out, the place is still cool. Yes, high altitude and thing. You know. You guys have the time. I already decided to, well, you know when you have the time, make the time. Take a drive, man. Stop put off a little road trip. The kids have in a vehicle, man, and drive them out. Check out some little places in Jamaica. If you don't know where to stop, just watch a video there. Yeah. And a couple of them bloggers and vloggers out there giving us some nice little Jamaican stops, you know? Yeah, but he's off, vlogging her right now, some bumping her road and so when you know out there drive, just take on the time on the road, they know anything good. But yeah, man, push out, man, and enjoy life, man. You can't do it when you're dead, you know. You can't do it if you're sick or you're old. Do it from now while you can, you understand? After me say, you know, road stop and Ray fly past the bread upon Spur Tree Hill or do the ital swoop and can. Should have stopped at that location, they were reach. Boy, people them would go KFC, nothing healthy night still, but slap a 2 piece of wings in the idea. Right, this way come down here, man. Me tell you now, KFC in a Santa Cruz, so it's a go on still. Don't know Mobile. I want to put Boulevard KFC, have the best KFC in the world. We'll see what I want on the empty side. Alright, so we never get for record Wagwan. So I don't know what the taste of the food at the Santa KFC, but the drive-through fast. I'm not used to it. We in and out of the drive-through in like less than 10 minutes. Yeah. And by the time I pay the money and reach at the food window, my food there at the window I wait for me. I'm not used to it. Maybe a KFC need to step up on a game. I swear, and then the line was empty. There were cars in front of us. Maybe a KFC, you guys need to step your game up, bruv. Alright, so check out how the taste for you now. Yeah, food look nice. Yeah, barbecue and spice. Low gosh. Park. Alright, exercise my driving skills, I know. So, while the service is fast and everything, and the wings is really good. So, service good, food taste good. Am I cheating on my diet? Yeah. Am I sorry? No. But eat KFC every day? No. Furthermore, we don't afford KFC every day neither, but this is good. So you pass through Santa Cruz KFC, yeah, you can check it out. Alright. Alright, so finally decide to do a road stop. So road stop along in a sense the same way. Where I get see, yeah, and cow skin out.
Cow skin and seafood soup.
Yeah. So we get seafood and cow skin soup and boiled corn.
Yeah.
And boiled corn. Yo, the KFC slapper. Yeah. KFC slapper. So I go on with the soup and corn, you know. So this is stretch. I don't know where it's already. You see me? We get corn and soup. Can't mash up the two of them right now. Still we can't mash up the soup and the corn of it. Make two belch out that KFC first. KFC slap way. No joke. Santa's KFC now going with a bag and thing. Alright, we tell you now what going in the corn and a thing. Babes, so after we did a drive, you know, and I go on and I say, alright, now I go back through the hills because the road bumpy. This hey, proper last. I want to somewhere from there. Proper last, I want place at the White House where I go on all these things right about now and all of these things. So it is like a real Dora the Explorer excursion outside, you know. Business trip turning a real road trip. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Jamaica nice and pretty, you know. Much good, nice, clean Westmoreland. So when last time I drive through them places, this is the White House, Westmoreland, nice and clean. Don't leave no food in place this. Yeah, boy, look at that. Yeah, man. So just there, go and take time cruise and full dry scene, you know. A beautiful day. Not too sunny, not too overcast, just bright and nice. You know what I mean? Yeah, I drive and I go on and boom, beach, like. Yeah, so you know it's a full off moment. You know what I mean? See what I go on, water look pretty and nice. Man, place nice and pretty, man. You know Jamaica is so beautiful. So beautiful, my peeps. But that was a little snippet I give you, you know. Outside again on the road.